Hi, here we have a KENWOOD DMX6523DABS. Now it's installed in this Land Rover Defender. Now, let me turn the volume down. So this stereo has a 6.8 inch touchscreen. It has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It has DAB radio, and obviously normal radio, Bluetooth, for hands-free calling, and also Bluetooth music if you don't want to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Also comes with a USB lead, so you could charge your phone from it if you wanted to do that. As a stereo, it's very comprehensive, does everything you need to do really. Now what we've done, we've installed it in this Land Rover Defender. Now this Defender, as standard, only comes with a single DIN slot, and what we've done now is replaced it with this complete new fascia fitting kit. It had like loads and loads of buttons on top of here as well as on the side, so it comes with a relocation plate. So it comes with a plate that goes on the side here that we have to install, and then that's where we fit most of the buttons to, and obviously giving us a double DIN aperture for the actual stereo. Now this actual fitment is really good. It looks very genuine. It looks like it's part of the vehicle, and all the buttons fits perfectly with them. So as a fixture, all works really well. We also done a reverse camera on this, so that's your reverse image. There you have it. That's the KENWOOD DMX6523DABS installed in this Land Rover Defender.